In December 2004, a powerful earthquake triggered a massive ocean wave. This triggered a tsunami, a series of enormous waves spreading across the sea. Before the tsunami, idyllic beaches and vibrant coral reefs teemed with life. The ocean's power unleashed, the waves surged, reshaping everything in its path. The impact was devastating. Coastlines were transformed, leaving behind destruction. Wildlife faced immense challenges. Their habitats were destroyed by the relentless waves. Communities rallied. Help arrived from around the world to rebuild and recover. Slowly, life began to return. Communities worked together to rebuild their homes. Nature's resilience shone through. New life began to bloom from the ruins. The ocean started to heal. The ecosystem found a way to recover and thrive once more. Remembering the power of nature and the importance of helping others. Together, we are strong.